back. Um, we just charge our batteries, so that's why we need to cut. So, what we are, before we added the, I'm just going to place salt and pepper to taste. So a while ago, we placed the tomato paste, and then we boil it, and then you just boil it like for 5 to 10 minutes, as long as you don't see water already, as long as there's no water. Water must be evaporated from the sauce. Then that's the time you put the remaining spices like the chili powder. I recommend to use 1 teaspoon of chili powder, especially that my father is a Bicolano, and we really love spicy food. So you let it boil, and then you just increase the fire. Then you put the taro leaves, and then you cook it. You will know if the taro leaves are already cooked if it's already green, dark green, because if, a fresh taro leaf is lightly green. So if it's dark green like this, just mix it. This is already cooked. This one. This is already cooked. Okay. So what we're going to do now is to plate it. Okay. This is our spaghetti. This is our angel hair pasta. You know, from the Europe, they use angel hair pasta. Alright, so you can see there are I have a plate here and then another bowl, because what we're going to do is to maximize our dish. Yeah, since this is very economical and healthy, this is not only a spaghetti, but at the same time, we can eat the contumbre. They call it contumbre in Ghana, Africa. You can eat it as a dish and then mix it with fried fish, or fried chicken. And then the third one is you can use it as a dip. You just buy chips from the market and then use it as a dip. So it's a finished product. Okay, and then our main dish. You know, you can smell the aroma of the tomatoes. Really very, very good. Very pleasing to the nose. Very sweet. And then you just add, this is oregano. Wanted to place oregano. Alright? So there you are, friends. This is heaven in a plate. So we're just going to taste it. This is the most exciting part. I almost spent almost 2 years in Ghana, and this is I learned a local dish. And since I told you my passion is traveling, I really love to travel, and at the same time cooking. So whenever I travel, I make sure that I learn not only their culture but their food. So I'm sharing this with you. So this is a combination of, again, 3 continents: European, you have the African, contumbre, and then we combine it with the spiciness of Asia. So here you go, folks. It's heaven in a plate. Our angel hair pasta with contumbre a la French. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.